absolutely grateful, and a mighty spirit whose energy I found very powerful. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mahadivine, where we speak about spirituality, motivation, self growth, rituals, switch words, and many more. Consider subscribing to my channel if you are interested in any of these. Nitika meditation for wealth and abundance that brings wonders in your money manifestation in no time. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mahadivine, where we speak about spirituality, motivation, self-growth, rituals, switch words, and many more. Consider subscribing to my channel if you are interested in any of these. This video is all about the genius spirit Nitika, the spirit who aids in manifesting prosperity, uncovering hidden treasures, and enhancing spiritual richness in no time, believe in me. Harmoniously blends with the potent energies of Nitika, the revered genius spirit of manifestation shares. Nitika embodies the essence of prosperity, abundance, and opulence. As a guiding spirit for manifesting wealth, her energies can help in aligning with the universe abundance, opening doors to opportunities and enriching one's life in manifold ways. Channeling Nitika's spirit energy during meditation amplifies your intention, allowing you to tap in her reservoir of abundance. As you immerse yourself in the soothing waves of this frequency of Nitika, visualize Nitika's radiant presence, guiding you towards your desires and wishes. I wish you watch and enjoy this video where I am introducing the switch word, a beautiful switch word of Nitika, a golden spirit angel. So this switch word will help you enhance your intention towards your money. The only thing you have to do is keep the money that you need immediately in mind while listening to this chant, and the intention should be very clear without any confusion. So let the golden spirit Nitika understand what you exactly need. Settle down in a cool and calm environment where you are away from any kind of disturbance or distractions. Listen or focus on this switch word chant and feel the presence of golden spirit Nitika around you as if she is listening to you. Let's begin. Nitika magic begins now. 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 Nitika, 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 magic begins now.